Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Chanel here, and today I will be teaching you how to make jerk chicken wings. These were made in the oven, and this is an easy recipe, you guys. So if you're looking for something easy and somewhat quick, this is your recipe. So if you haven't done so already, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and let's get into these jerk wings. For this recipe, we are using about 3.5 pounds of chicken. I'm using chicken wings, and I use the whole chicken wing and I cut it into wingettes. So you can buy it already in wingettes like this, or you can cut it into wingettes from the whole chicken wing. But this stuff right here, this is what I'm doing. I am pat drying my chicken. So after I washed it and cleaned it with lemon juice and vinegar and water, I am drying it. So make sure you do this, because if you don't, this recipe will not come out good. It's not that it won't come out good. The chicken, when you bake it, is just gonna have a lot of water. So make sure you dry it completely. This is the list of all the seasoning that I'm using to make this oven baked jerk chicken. I will list everything in the description as always, but I just wanted to give you a visual presentation of exactly what I'm using. We're going to start off with 1/4 cup of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1/2 tablespoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 1/2 teaspoon of jerk seasoning, 1 teaspoon of creole seasoning, 1 teaspoon of Mrs. Dash onion and herb, and now 3 tablespoons of jerk paste. Make sure you have the mild one, because you don't want something too spicy. And I'm just putting, in total, this was 3 tablespoons. Now you're going to mix this up really well, and you're going to let this marinate for about an hour in the fridge. That's what I did. If you really have the time, let it marinate overnight. You'll get the best results if you let it marinate 24 hours in the fridge. But if you don't have that amount of time, like I don't, then we're gonna do this for about an hour in the fridge. Now that an hour has passed, I'm gonna get me a large aluminum foil pan like this, and I'm gonna spray it down with some olive oil non-sticking spray. You can use any type of non-sticking spray. You just want to spray something down so that your chicken does not stick to the pan. And then you want to place your chicken in the pan like this. You want to leave a little bit of space in between the wings. You don't want to overcrowd it, but you just want to leave a tiny bit of space. So place your chicken. If you're using about 3.5 pounds to 4 pounds of chicken, then it should definitely fit in a large aluminum foil pan. Now you're going to place this in the oven for about an hour and 15 minutes at 375. This is how your chicken should start to look after an hour and 15 minutes. Once you have allowed it to bake for an hour and 15 minutes, you're now going to flip your wings over. And as you can see, I don't have a lot of liquid in my pan, so this is a good indication. If you have a lot of liquid, then you need to drain some of it and flip over your wings and place it back in the oven for another hour and 15 minutes. Now that your chicken has been baking for a total of 2 hours and 30 minutes, it should look like this. If your chicken does not look like this, or you feel like it's not thoroughly cooked, then you may want to cook it longer. These are the temperatures based upon my oven. You also can broil it at the end. Sometimes I do that. I will broil it for the last like 5 to 6 minutes if I want it to get a little darker. But overall, your chicken should look like this, and it is now ready to serve. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you try it, let me know in the comments how these jerk wings come out, and I will see you guys next Sunday with a new recipe. Subscribe to this channel and subscribe to my personal YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.